Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today we're going to take you on a full journey
from harvesting these lion's manes
and marinating them
into cooking a delicious sandwich. So here we are in the kitchen. We just harvested these lion's mane.
On the table we have some ingredients to make the marinade for the lion's mane.
So let's get started. I'll be making the marinade. It's very simple. We start with some orange juice. You can also use some store-bought orange juice. We chose to do it with a fresh product. Next up, a little bit of lime. I prefer to use only half a lime. Here I have some soy sauce, not too much. I also like to add some cumin. Also 2 tablespoons. Then we'll add some chopped cilantro. We will add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. 1, 2. Then also some paprika. And also a bit of pepper. And of course some salt. Mix it together. So the marinade is done. I'll set this aside and now David will start to cook the lion's mane itself.
Make sure that your pan is really hot. This is how we check if it's hot enough. Now we're going to place the lion's mane in the pan.
We also grow some grey oyster mushrooms. If you want to see us cook something with that, please guys, leave it in the comments below.
So we want to press all the water out of the lion's mane. As you can see, most of the water is now inside of the pan. Now we're going to put them in the marinade. Make sure everything is nice and covered. Now it's time to refrigerate the marinated lion's mane for 2 to 4 hours. While we are waiting for the marinade, we have a brand new package. It's a dehydrator that we're going to unbox. It's the most satisfying part of buying new things. The setup is done, it has wheels. Now we're going back to the cooking.
So here we are again. After about 2 hours of marinating, it's time to give them a quick sear and then we'll put them on the bun. So we are just going to place them in. The smell is amazing. And don't forget to put some extra of the marinade on top. So now the fun part. Let's dig in.
It's really delicious. Not too acidic. It has a nice flavor combination.
My turn. A lot of juices because of the marinade. Very meaty like. I think this one is successful. So that's it. Marinated lion's mane, easy, delicious and healthy.
It really was delicious. If you like this video, please let us know in the comments or if you have any suggestions, and see you on the next one.
Bye guys.